Hi, today in front of me INFINIX Note 12 2023 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So just to activate Hey Google option, we should first launch Google app and then tap on the right upper corner. So now go to the settings, click to Google Assistant section and tap to Hey Google and voice match. Here, click to OK Google Switcher. To activate this option, tap to Next. I agree. Continue. Not now. And now we can see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. If you want to retain just to change your voice model, so just click here retain voice model and repeat after assistant, just assistant to recognize your voice. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.